You can take decades off your hand appearance when you put dermal fillers in them. Here's how it's done. I'm pinching the skin upwards so that when I'm at the entry point for the cannula, because I've chosen not to use a needle, it's in an area that's nowhere near the blood vessels, which could be damaged. In some cases, I'll actually make the entry in the knuckle area of the middle finger. Depending on the patient in question, I might use one or the other technique. Then I'm entering the cannula very gently inside. It's always staying very, very shallow just under the skin. This is why you can actually see the cannula during the procedure. In fact, the ability to see it clearly is a good sign that I haven't gone too deep. However, even though it might look unpleasant to some, it's completely pain-free and I've used no numbing or anesthetic whatsoever. I'm spreading my cannula around like a knife spreading butter on bread. I want it to be as even and smooth as possible everywhere. The reason I'm moving very gently and not forcing it anywhere is because I don't want to nick a blood vessel and cause bruising. With being very shallow though, I should be less likely to cause this because the vessels are slightly deeper than where my instrument is. I'm using a hyaluronic acid based filler and this is around 1 mil for each hand that you're seeing. Sometimes I might even use 2 or 3 mil for a single hand, depending on how much volume loss has actually happened. Once it's roughly in the right areas, I'm going to use a massage to make sure that it's spread as smoothly as possible everywhere. It will take up to 2 weeks for it to settle in, and if any more is needed at that point, I can easily add more. For the absolute best age-defying results though, I would always combine fillers here with some kind of skin quality improvement too, such as basics like high quality skincare and SPF, but also with Sunakos, which is an incredibly advanced skin booster that can improve tightness, pigmentation, and texture for the entire area to truly look decades younger. If you want to see how it's done, as well as some before and afters of some incredible results, click right here.